Hey there, Toyota enthusiasts. Paul Bonner here at Conicelli Toyota of Conshohocken. With summer in full swing, it's time to ensure your Toyota is running smoothly with our scorching summer specials at Conicelli Toyota Service Center. We've got some fantastic deals lined up just for you. Need to replace your cabin air filter? Get 10% off and breathe easy this summer with cleaner air inside your Toyota. And if you're looking to save big, check out our Spend and Save coupons. Save up to $150 on the same-day service. Whether it's routine maintenance or a repair, the more you spend, the more you save. It's a win-win. But wait, there's more. How about an oil change and tire rotation for just $89.95? That's right. Keep your Toyota running smoothly and safely on those summer road trips without breaking the bank. Ready to take advantage of these incredible deals? Give us a call at 888-289-5948 or simply visit ConicelliService.com to schedule your appointment today. And be sure to mention these specials when you book. Let's make this summer unforgettable, starting with your Toyota's maintenance. Drive safe, Toyota family, and we'll see you soon at Conicelli Toyota's Service Center.